I am Dr. Sunita Gupta. I am a consultant gynecologist with Max Hospital, Saket and Panchsheel. Today I am going to talk about polycystic ovarian syndrome. Polycystic ovarian syndrome consists mainly of three symptoms. One is anovulation. Anovulation means there is no egg formation in the ovary. And second is hyperandrogenism, which is excess of male hormones in the body. And third is cysts in the ovaries, which are visible on the ultrasound. So the main symptoms of polycystic ovarian syndrome are: number one is obesity. Most of the patients of polycystic ovary have obesity, and obesity worsens the polycystic ovary syndrome, and it is a vicious cycle, and polycystic ovarian people have more of obesity. Because what happens is that when the female hormones, they get deposited in the fat, and that's why there is deficiency of female hormone in the blood in polycystic patients, and that's why the male hormone starts dominating the system, and all the male symptoms start appearing, like acne, like hair on the face or on the body, excessive hair on the body, irregular cycles. So obesity is the main culprit in these patients. So if they lose weight, then all the symptoms regress, because the hormone in the fat goes back to the blood and all the hormonal imbalance get corrected, and all the acne and facial hair, everything will disappear. So second thing is acne, which is very common in polycystic ovarian patients. So many times patients go to a skin specialist for acne treatment, and then they discover that they have polycystic ovarian syndrome. So for acne is again because of male hormones in the blood, and sometimes it responds to local applications which the skin specialist gives them, but sometimes they need to take hormonal treatment. We give the oral contraceptive pills to these patients for correcting the acne. Basically, the oral contraceptive pills have the perfect combination of female hormones which your ovary should be producing. But in case of polycystic ovaries, the ovary is producing more of male hormones, little bit of more of male hormones. So once we give the pills from outside, the body gets the signal that there is enough female hormone in the blood, and there is no need to make any more hormone. So the ovary stops working, and so the male hormone also stop getting formed, and all the symptoms then they regress till the patient is on the pills. Once the patient stops the pills, again the ovary takes over. Again the male hormone comes back in the blood, starts getting formed by the ovary, and again the symptoms may slowly appear. So once the patient has been kept on OCPs for 6 months, she may become all right for 1 or 2 years, then slowly again the symptoms may come back. So polycystic ovary disease is not a disease which can be cured by a 6 months treatment or a 1 week treatment, like any fever antibiotic you give for 7 days and patient becomes all right. This is a lifestyle disease which is going to be there for the rest of your life. You can keep it under control by having a healthy lifestyle and maybe taking some medication if required, or you can, if you let it go, if you allow yourself to gain weight, then it will become worse, and it can get out of hand. If you want to know anything more about PCOS, please consult me on librate.com or in Max Hospital, Saket and Panchsheel.